How to clear history in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily wipe it out. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Here, enter the passcode that you have. Here, we in the settings interface. On the top, you can see your profile section. Tap on your profile and here, enter your password. After doing it, simply tap on next. So this is the profile or settings where you can customize everything. If you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to find a section called clear history. Now make sure you want to clear and wipe out all your history. Simply tap on clear history and at last hit on OK. So everything will be reset. Now you can simply go back and start using your app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.